Welcome back, part 4 of the E36 drift build. Just getting everything back on now. Fuel tank is back on. Just ran some new brake lines at the back while the fuel tank was off. The old ones are quite crusty. So next now is just to get the subframe mounted, get all the back end back on. So the rear end is all back on now. All the subframe is fitted, trailing arms, everything. I'll give you a quick look. So we have full subframe is all fitted and polybushed. New trailing arms all fitted and mounted into the new pockets. New cables in place. Just need to fit handbrake shoes and brakes. Refit the diff and prop shaft.
Yeah, you bet all. So obviously it's different like I had from the scheme and you can match the colour of it that way kind of.
First start of Harry's car. Start. That's just exhaust right now. Is it staying running on its own? No. Right, engine's in the car now, all running. Had a few teething issues, had to swap the crank sensor over. Just wouldn't stay running, kept on cutting out. We're going to make an exhaust for it now. Just so we can see what it sounds like with an exhaust on it, and then hopefully sort out any of the other teething issues. I'll show you the engine running now once you put it back on the floor. Yeah, go on whenever. Beast hard. Give it up. So Harry's car is all finished. Engine's all running mint. We had quite a few running issues in the beginning. Had to change crank sensor, cleaned the idler control, about a few air leaks, but running nicely now. And it revs well with the m54 cam. Show you the car. He needs to paint his bumper. He'll do that himself. And we probably lowered a bit more on the front. Yeah, engine runs nice. So that's it, fully polybushed. Basically everything on the car is new, from brakes, the brake lines, everything. Give it, just listen to it. So thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more.